when I am both physically and mentally relaxed, I often reflect on these truths repeatedly and remind myself, every day I cling to so many things. However, when I die, only the virtuous deeds I have done will be of any assistance, both good and bad. Karma will closely follow me. The unceasing cycles of birth and death in samsara are truly terrifying. Many people go through life without contemplating the nature of samsara and instead indulge in meaningless distractions day after day. But if they truly reflect on it, it becomes clear that they are like yaks in a slaughterhouse, unaware of the imminent death and still clinging to temporary happiness within the pen. Therefore, while we have this precious human life and have encountered the supreme dharma of liberation, we should seize the opportunity firmly, like a blind man grasping an elephant's tail. We should make a heartfelt aspiration. From now on, I will pursue liberation wholeheartedly, so I will not get entrapped in samsara anymore. Otherwise, it would be too frightening